How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. So auto scroll is a new feature added to Instagram. It's not completely added in all regions yet, but Instagram is updating its application right now. So just update the application of Instagram, and once you have done so, just open any reel and click on these three dots, and then you'll be able to see an auto scroll option over here. You gotta simply toggle that. But right now you can see I don't have that option yet because Instagram is working on it and it's not officially available in all of the regions. So if whenever there's a new update, simply update your application and see if that option has been added. And if not, then meanwhile, you can do another thing is that head over to your settings, go to accessibility if you have an iPhone, and then you can simply scroll down and click on voice control. Simply enable this. And when you come to Instagram, you can simply give it command from your voice, such as scroll down. And you can auto scroll the Instagram Reels using your voice. Scroll down. And just like that. So just keep on updating your application. When you see the feature of auto scroll over here, that's really good. But if not, then meanwhile, you can use the accessibility option. So that is basically how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.